Okay, that looks fine. Okay. Time for day 4 of making my Godot game. Let's see. So let's bring up that to-do list. This is everything I've done so far. This is the current to-do. I want to flesh it out a little bit more. So let's see. Let's see. I think the player should be able to get stronger. So I'll have the level associated with the player. Um, mm, mm, Probably score associated with the player as well. Um, Equals number of enemies killed multiplied by level. So sum of levels of killed enemies. Let's see. Oh, I already did this one. I can do this. Let's see. Level should be associated with the player. Get stronger. Mm. Let's see. Enemies should be bigger as we go down. Should also be stronger. Oof. Should also be stronger. Stats associated. Randomize. Defense. Strength. Mm, Goals to achieve. It's So I really just need a game over screen. And it should restart and it should display the final score. Final score. Plays a fish. That must be hunted. Or it's not a fish. I'll be a fish eventually. Nice to have. Make them into fish. Make them into fish instead of default assets. Mm, and strength, speed. Hmm. To be distributed, it should be more. Let's see. Let's see. Level associated with the player will get stronger. So if health is full, increasing health more equals increasing level bar. Okay, I think that will make sense. It would be nice if the enemies also attack each other. The attack. That should be similar to Hermit enemies in the same depth. Nice to have not loading all the enemies. That'll be an optimization. Strength is basically how much damage you have. Should spawn more enemies over time somehow based on some condition. Okay. Okay, I think that's good. Maybe I should do the end state since I already have an end state. What was the end state currently? Game, death swing. Oh no, dead. Okay, game over. Oops, game over. And then, well, then wait for this. And then I'll put the score. Copy, paste. Copy, paste. Okay. Over, and then this will be score. Score. And then I want a button. Button. No, just a regular button. Check? No, button. Okay, maybe here. Button, score. Let's see. Final score. Oh, 0. Let's see. sizes 100. Constants? No. Is this center? So I don't know. Probably here. Here-ish. Okay, button. We'll say restart. Try again. And then let's make it bigger. Font size 50. 150. Try again, and I want the button to not look gray colors. No. Beam. Input. Mouse. Focus. Layout. Gray is fine. Okay. We have a game over scene. I need to get a score first. So I should probably do that. Hi. Okay, I'll just put the score somewhere. Label. That's so small. Stats. No. Sizes. 10. 20. 50. It's too big. 25. 45. 40. Sure. How to display score in video? Or, well, maybe next time. Score label. Okay, so I just do that. So I can just set this to 0. Let's see. What was my to-do list again? So the score is the number of enemies killed multiplied by their level. Okay, so I need to get level. Okay, let me write this down. So, okay, if I want to do the game over screen, well, I can do the restart game from game over. I'll do that first. Let me think. Background, clear, can you? Spawn in enemies, display the health, show game over if they die. Health decreases over time, enemies have health, players can attack enemies. If they interact with an enemy, it restores the health. Enemies die after, or disappear after death. Okay, so end state, I want to display the score at game over, which means I need to keep track score, which means which is the number of enemies, the sum of the levels of killed enemies, which means I need to have levels associated with the enemies. And that means what? Yeah, I think I can do that. Yeah, and then the levels would have stats associated with enemies that is related to the level, enemy's level. Yeah, so I can add that in later. I can focus on these three first. So let's see. Enemy is here. So enemy, let's see. I guess we'll make a variable called level. Okay, and then when we start, based on level. When we start, we want to come up with the enemy's level. So let's see. How big is this? It's like 350 to 700-ish. So along the y-axis, that is let's say 300 to 700. So that's 400. So each 400 pixels along the axis would be a level, would be one level, plus or minus. Let me write that down. Level equals current depth divided by 400 plus or minus 2. Okay, so now I need to get the current depth of this character. Slime. Get health. So I guess first thing I need to do is try to print the position. Let's see. Oh, hey, we are back. Let's see. I'm currently trying to figure out how to associate a level with each enemy. Let's see. Get instance location. Maybe dot position. Wrong scene. Thanks. I hope I do. Okay. Okay, so the self dot position is 0. So that's not the right way to go about it. How to get the location of an instanced scene. Keep a reference to it globally and then call it. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I just need to. Hello. I just need to. Uh, when did I create everything? Oh, here. So I just need to give it the information when I started it. Let's see. Oh, wait. I do put position here. Huh. Okay, okay. So I'll just put it. I'll just make this another thing. It still says day 3. Oh, I will need to update that. I don't know how to update that. I'll figure that out later. Initialize. Okay, okay. Can we update it? Let's see. Day 4. Okay. I think it should be updated somehow, eventually. I just do position, I think. Wait, what was this before? Oof. Oh. It's still a 0. Okay, okay. Let's make this initialize. And then I'll just call it after I set all these values. New enemies, enemy. And then this should not be 0. Yeah, it's not 0. Okay, okay, that's good. So the current level should be the position y divided by 400 mean level. And then I want to get a by range mean level minus uh 2 mean level plus 2. Level variation. Level equals this. Let's update this. Next level variation plus or minus underneath. Okay, level depth span. 400. Okay. So now I'll have a level, and we can print. See if it looks reasonable based on the Y position. Yeah, that's probably good. Okay. Let's see. So now I have a level, and then I can do max value will be, I'll figure that out later. Okay, so now I have levels associated with the enemies, even though it doesn't do anything. I can now track the score. Let's see. Score. So if damage, actually, where would score go? Let's see. I need to check to see if the health of, I think it goes here then. If no is an enemy, I'll apply damage. Let's see. If it's greater than 0, I want to check if get health again is now 0. Actually, yeah. If it's 0, then I want to increment. Increment score. Hello. Let's see. Get health equals 0. Then I want to do score plus equals 1. Yeah, because it can't be negative, I think. It is a progress bar. Okay, let's go check. Oh, this is the wrong one. Check. Oh, I forgot to actually update the display. So let's see. Score plus equals 1. Just do increments. Increments for 1. And then I'll create a function for that. Score change should be a number. It's equals change. And then I want to update the score. Score. Score dot text equals score. Let's see. Percent sign S, another percent sign score. Oh, was increment score. Oh, not number, integer. I won't type it. Okay. Oh, int. Oh, okay, int. Okay. Okay. My score got incremented. Okay, okay. So that is good. Track score done. Is done. Let's see. And then display the score at game over. So let's see. Hmm. Oh, the health is 0. I want to set score visible to not. And then I want to set the score. I'm going to rename this. End score. Update the end score. Oops. End score. And then display the end screen. Oh, I can't die yet, so I need to increase the health decay. Uh, sure. I can do hide. What would it? Okay. Let me kill some enemies before I die. Ah, okay, that didn't work. Text is not available for no. Oh, wait, I need to access this nickname. So instead of visible equals true, I can say hide. Hide and show. Okay, visible. If not visible, if not visible, I can just say show. And I can say hide. And then I think that's the only part I assign things. Okay. Okay, let me try this again. Okay. Well, my score is incremented, so the game over screen is almost done, except for the button, which doesn't work. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, final score done. Restart from game over. That's a future task. Yeah, thanks. Mostly, I just updated the game over screen. Um, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. The score associated with the player is the number of enemies killed multiplied by level. I did that already. No, I didn't do that. I just made it plus equals 1. Plus 1. This should be no dot level. Good thing I had a to-do list. Okay, now that's done. Oof. Okay, level associated with player. That sounds like a lot of work, so I'll do that later. Enemies should be able to attack player. Also seems like a lot of work. I guess I can continue working on the end state since it seems like the easiest thing to do right now. Okay, restart game from game over. Okay, so I need to have my button working. How to button. Oh, first connect. Okay. Connect. Print. Button pressed. Okay. Button pressed. Now I just need to do something when the button's pressed. My button's too big though. How do I change it? Let's see. Make it smaller. Oh, that's cool. That's a hamster thing, right? It's very cute. Let's see. Move this down. Move this down. Ah, ah, ah. Okay. Button pressed. Button pressed. Need to reset everything. What's there to reset? How many? I have one, two scripts. Oh, and the script on each of these. So I'll just go through and see what would need to be reset. I don't think I need to reset this. Oh, those are two of the cutest animals. So that's a good choice of animals to hybrid. Let's see. Ready. Process. I just set health to max. Maybe I should. I'll do like a reset function. And then I'll remove that here. And then I'll just call reset. Okay. So I set health to max. I want to hide. Let's see, what else? Speed, max health, health decay. Um, did I use speed? No, I did. Okay. Let's see. This is just removing. This is incrementing. This is updating the score. I need to update the score. The score is 0. Let's see. Player damage. Yeah, I'll probably change the player damage later. Damage. Or string. String. Strength will be 10. And then strength is initial. And then apply strength. The strength I'll reset back to initial strength. Speed. Wait, I don't have the speed yet. Speed will become initial speed. And then I'll just add speed. This is just moving. Ignore, ignore. This is just attacking. Okay, I think that's good. Here was nothing. This one. Oh, I need to restore the health. Oh, I did that here. Okay. And here, I'll reset the player. Player dot reset, and then function reset. Oop. Reset number of enemies. Just do that again, I guess. Okay, so I'll just spawn new enemies from scratch. I can do that too. Equals 1,000. Okay, so we spawn 1,000 enemies. Alright, I think that's it. Okay, I think reset should work. Let's run it. Ah, I probably shouldn't reduce my health so quickly. What was it? 05? 0.05. Okay. Okay. Well, let's try to get some sword. 1, 2. Oh, because it's different levels. Okay. And then when I reset, my score didn't come back. Let me fix that. Is that how? Reset. Score is 0. Update score. And then I'll show the score. Okay. Okay. And then when I reset, it should be 0. It is 0. Great. Oh, and then it spawned the enemies again. Yeah, it is a bot. um. Okay. Let's see. Restart game from game over. Did that. Level associated with player. If health is full, increase health more. Let's see. I don't really know what to do next. I'll just do a spinner. And on the wheel. Okay. Sure. What are the let's see. Player level. What else? Enemy can attack. What else? Stats. Enemy should have stats. Enemy placement location. UI. And then the rest is nice to have, so I'll just do these. Okay, so it shows the first thing. That sounds rigged, but sure. Wait, what was it? Oh, I should work on the player level, I guess. Okay. Level equals 1. Wait, did I start level at 1 or 0? Huh. I think level could be negative here. Let's see. If level is less than 1, I'm gonna set it to 1. Or I think I do minimum min level. Yeah, that probably works. Okay, so the player starts at level 1. I should update that on reset too. Or actually, I don't need to do these since I do that on reset. Okay, so start at level 1 and then apply damage to the player character, which is this. So that's the health bar. If health bar dot value plus damage is greater than health bar dot max value, I'll just print that out. Health bar dot max value. Okay, so I'll just make this back to normal, and let's see if I can go over the max here. I don't think that did anything. Player. Oh, player. Here. Play damage. Yeah. No, wait, it's not plus. It's not minus. It's minus damage. Yes. Minus damage. Okay. Okay. So this is 110. 110 is greater than 100. So I want to find difference between the new health minus the maximum health and And if that is over 0, I want to update the level. So level is actually in here. And I can use the export thing, export level. Okay. So it's greater than 0. Level, let's see this. It should be a level bar, maybe. Let's see. Export level. Okay. I can know how to export variables. Export var level equals 1. Yeah, I got it. I just missed the var. So if difference is greater than 0, then I want to increment my level bar, which I don't have. So I need to add it. Level bar. Yeah, that's centered probably. Okay. That layer, no, here. How far? Level bar. And I don't want to show the percent because I want to show the level, which is going to be a label. Right here. Let's see. Unless I can do text directly. No, I don't think so. Okay, so I'll add a label. It'll say level 1. But I want to center it. That looks good. So I'll rename this to level label. Oops, label. Label. Level bar. Level bar. Level. Label. Level. Label. Damage. If we do more damage, we're going to increment level label. Oh, no, we're going to increment level bar. Level bar dot value plus equals difference. and the excess healing. And it will be whatever's excess. And then if level bar excess healing. Let's see. Excess health. Excess experience, so it would be the same thing. This plus excess health. And then if that is greater than 0, then I would want to increment the level. Level equals 1. And then level is incremented, level bar value becomes excess experience. Okay, increment the level. Oh, and I need to update the display. That is basically doing this. Level label dot text will be level. Okay. Good. Let's see. There's no dot value of null. Oh, I didn't make a unique name. Okay, let's try again. Okay, I'm level 2 now. Great, so the level progression works. Which means the player should get stronger with the level. Okay, I'll do that next. But first, I think it should be a different color, because then I have 2 green bars. Let's see. Make this blue. Yes, I think nice EEE is indeed an appropriate reaction. It is very nice. Hmm. I think that looks like a level color, a nice blue. And I want to get stronger when I increase the level. That would be in script. Okay. Um, hmm. So I have strength set to initial strength. And then let's see. Strength is just gonna be plus player character dot level times 5. Okay, yeah. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Player character dot level times initial strength. So I don't need this, and I don't need this. Level up strength will be 5, and we start at 5. I can just do this. See. Like that. Change the colors? Oh, do they need to be different? I think they do. So let's see. Let's go back here. Oh, we do. I want to keep this color. There. Undo, and then new, and then okay. Now these are different colors. Great. Okay. Wait, what was I doing? Wait, I don't think I need to do that. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Slime. Fade over. Where is the... Oh, here. I want it to actually turn red and then disappear. Ooh, it's scary. Gone. Okay. Okay. Player gets stronger with level increase. Get stronger with level increase. Oh, and I can make it bigger. Player size. Level up strength. Level up size. Oh, and then I can do level up speed. Essential speed. Hmm. Let's see, speed is just used here. So it will just be initial speed plus player character dot level use 1 times level up speed. I just set the level equals 1. We can do actually I will keep a strength speed. I think that's it. Okay. So let's see. Speed equals initial speed. Let's see. It's 10. And then this is speed. This is speed plus equals level up speed. And actually this goes here. Speed increases, strength increases, and size. Player dot scale times equals vector 2 level up scale level up scale. Oh, size. That didn't work. Player character. Character. This takes so long. Let's say apply damage negative. No, no. Times 10. Negative no level times 10. Oh wait, did it increase the size? I wasn't paying attention. Let's say 1.5, so I can see. Huh, okay, it became bigger. So that works. And then that works. It should get slower. Let's see. Okay, So right now, I'm assuming it only goes up one level. So range 0 to player level minus previous level, or I guess level change. Level change equals this. No, but I want to show each. For level in that, I'll do that, and then I will wait. How to wait before continuing with code. Oh, right. Okay. And then I'll wait for like 0.5.1. So apply damage. That code is not applying more than one level. So excess health. That's how much extra. Yeah. And then excess experience is, yeah. So if it's greater than or equal to 0, then level will go up. Or while it's greater than or equal to 0, do that. Excess experience. Hmm. Value while level bar dot in value. Well, look at these. What's my code do? So let's see, I have excess health. Now I want to convert that into experience points. So that's actually excess experience. Or experience. And then while experience does it's greater than or equal to 0, I want to set level bar value, or if level bar dot value plus experience is greater than level bar dot max value, then I want to set level bar dot value becomes 0, experience minus equals level bar dot max value minus the current level bar dot value. level equals plus equals 1. So if I have more experience than needed for the current bar, I want to increment the level. So it goes to the next level. And then I check again for the next. Huh, I'm confused. Okay, let me think. So I have while experience, if experience is greater than 0, while experience is greater than or equal to the amount to the next level, which is the level bar max minus level bar current value. Then, while it's greater than that, I will want to basically fill up that bar, subtract it from experience, go to next level, and then level bar value will be 0 because I fill it up exactly. And then I check the amount for the next. Oh, and then I will increment the level. I can change my scale, right? I can change the scale here. I don't need to do this. I should do all of this in the player character. Oops. Player character. I'll do that later. Okay. Um. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Think. I subtract the amount to next level. And now the amount to next level should be the max level bar value. I level it up, and then check. I update the amount to next level again, and then I check if I have enough experience. And then at the end, experience will be the same as the level bar current value. Yeah, that makes sense, probably. And then I want to update the text. And I also want to do this with a pause in between. Where is it? Here. And I want to increase the scale too. Increase scale. Is it because I need to declare level of size? All this over here. And then ready for the reset. Since I'm dealing with level here, I will increment this way. And then I don't need this, I don't need this, I don't need these, this, or this. So I just do player character dot strength account. So I don't even need that here. I just need it here. So this is in the process function. I'll just do set health will be current health is okay. So that's handled by that. The health is 0. I'll show the duck screen, and then if we do interaction, I'll do that. Velocity will be player character dot speed. Okay. So let's say minus half minus plus half. Okay. Oh, well. Oh, I can't tell if I'm going slower. Huh. Is that slower? Let's see. Yeah, I think that is slower. Level up speed. Oh, it should be 0.9. Strength size up. Let's see. Level up speed. Let's see. Print speed. And then player line damage. And experience amount to next level. Oh, I need to update this. Oh, this is only 100. Let's try making this 200. 500. Pretty cool. Can't tell. Okay, let's make that a little bit more visible. So level up size 35. That's kind of big. Two. Wait, why am I not leveling up now? Let's see, player, node dot level. Level is at least 1. Damage. Yeah, that feels nice. So a little bit. Maybe I'll do that. Yeah, sure. Level up speed. Don't need to print this. Don't need to print this. Don't need to print this. Max. Level up speed. Initial speed. Let's see, 0.1. Yeah, that's pretty slow. Okay. And then speed equals min of 0.1 and current speed. So it doesn't get too slow. Why was I working on this so much? What was my current task? Oh, it gets stronger. Yeah. Leveling up affects player's stats. Okay, I think that's about it for the player. Um, okay. Next to do item. Hide choice. Enemy. UI. Oh, you can close that. Okay. Okay. Man, why is it choosing all the stuff I don't want to do? Okay. So enemy can attack. Mm, okay. Uh, okay. So at each time step, it should do something. Does it have a health? It doesn't have health. Wait, it does have a health. Okay. So each time step, it should identify the closest enemy. Attack! To do? It'll be nice to have more sophisticated behaviors such as cowardice, which means the flee, such as first attack. Attack. Means flee. Let's see. Won't attack at all. Won't attack unless attacked. Targeting closest. Targeting weakest. So like a bully or something. Weakest, I guess, like level and stats. Level and health combo. I think those are the main things. For now, it will always attack closest. Okay. How to find the closest enemy? That's a question for the internet. How to find the closest enemy? Problem in finding the closest enemy. That sounds like something that can help me. Find closest enemy. All enemies. Get the closest. Cool. I'll just do that. The closest enemy within a distance. To do randomize distance tolerance per enemy. What? I can do a group. Get nodes in group. Okay. I was hoping there'll be a class that has been added to a given group. How do I create a group? Create group. Group. Okay. Call group. Get groups. Has group. Notify group. Set group, maybe. Set a given, oh, property to value for all on all nodes inside the tree added to a given group. How do I add to a group? Let's just review the node tab. I have a lot of tabs. How to add to group? Oh, in Godot. Oops. Good. Yeah. Groups. Okay. So, number 1, game. Number 2, read the tutorial. Node, groups, scene groups, or plus, name is enemy. Okay. Oh, should it be lowercase? Lower E enemy. And then, let's see. And then add to group. Right here. Function ready underscore ready, add to group and me. Okay. And then distance. Which enemy? If it's less than closest distance. Infinite? Oh, there's an infinity. Yeah. Infinity, if it's less than that. Oh, really, that part, variable. Distance, closest enemy. Targeted enemy is nothing. I'll set it to this. Attack if within a distance tolerance. If targeted distance is less than distance threshold, then attack. Yippee! And then enemy targeted enemy dot position. Oh, distance. Yippee, yippee. Okay. Oh, I should not print that much. Okay. Identify the closest enemy, and then go to the enemy. Hmm. Hmm. I guess go to the enemy and attack with some. Go to the enemy with some probability attack. And then to do, don't make the attack surface completely overlap with the attacked surface. Attack bubble surface. To do target area to attack. Yeah, that's a to-do item. I'm not doing that yet. Okay, so it should go to the enemy. So this should be at the physics process. Targeted distance is less than that. Then direction will be something. Probably wrap up after this. It's kind of been a while. Let's see. Distance, direction, enemy, targeted enemy, position, minus the current position of me, uh, position. Oh, is there like position this direction too? Oh, that's easier. Oof. Target. Done. Target. Enemy. Oh, targeted. Just target. Why did I write targeted? Position. Um, and then I'm gonna rename all of this. Target. 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 So I got a direction. I set my velocity to this times speed. Bar speed. Already initialize position. Speed is equal to what? Speed. Speed is level of speed 1.0, 1.1. Speed is 1.0 times 1.1 to the level, to the current level. And then speed is, wait, speed is not that. Speed is initial speed, 0.8. So let's see, so speed is that velocity, and if we have some not too small velocity, I will play walk animation. Or just play walk. Play walk. Play walk. Okay. Target distance. What do you mean it's not declared? Is this area 2D? Okay, let's see. Let's change this to a character body 2D. Change. And then I'll do a area 2D, create. Go here, copy, paste, paste, and remove. That should work. Oh, that should work. This needs to be a character body 2D. Position? Why is position not a thing? It should be a thing. Character body 2D. This is also a character body 2D. It has position, right? Position. Character body 2D position. How to get the position. Get. City up, slide ceiling, save margin, blah, 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 blah. Wait, let me just look here. This player. It should have a position. It does. It does. So, where is it? No, I should have a position. What do you mean I don't have a position? Yeah, it has a position. Now do I get position? Self dot position? Oh, I think think it's self-dot position. Self-dot position. Self-dot position. Retry. Oh, is it this? Oh, okay. I can remove the self. So, not a function. Let me just do that. Okay, okay. Whenever you're ready. Or not. Maybe I should close it. Maybe I should wait. Maybe I'll wait. Huh. Okay, well, that's really slow. So, I'll stop it. I think it's a good stopping point for now. Let's see. Let's do this. Let's do this. And we'll stop for today. Okay, well, thanks for watching.